me hu niema nyame adom minim spiritual things enti ne yire ne ka minim because according to Bedu Kobi yire no bi onuma 3 days na Bedu Kobi nyare na sanya man na bani nyina wase
3 days
sama Bedu Kobi yire ka kire men onim se eduru tambia na Bedu Kobi yire ne Bedu Kobi yire family kura pili se me na Bedu Kobi wura sanya man nyema de ne yire no hu ya de ono pe ni ne yire betuma ababon tira beka so ya papa bempe ka no ebia me de mi hu no hwe oboa Bedu Kobi yire ni se Bedu Kobi nya papa enti tama Bedu Kobi ema sa baba ntuna so hwan ata omi o attack me because of the marriage break here no kaso de for babon tin ama obi on se Bedu Kobi no yire ne jai esense ho kwa e make no crack so Bedu Kobi no person ware no me person me boss abaya ne din abaya no yenim no kuma se Bedu Kobi ne be chia so no person ware no na ka se Bedu Kobi unnim na o ka kire me se wo yiri mi huna de bi ode ayew a wo so uja no eti so uja wo yiri endi nyina so a mi mom pa de Bedu Kobi me ba bon tira be ka se I don't know you onya me da me ka sa na me machine no ojai minim sabe Bedu Kobi pa wo Bedu Kobi timi ka kire ne yiri so o me nchen me dia bufuo ebusebusa mu attack me ma kwa na mo se no Bedu Kobi said that the meme year say oba meme aba beda ha aso na Bedu Kobi na me no oba eda hotel eso yusu me eti edu tem da ni na me yiri fi se me kwa na me check Bedu Kobi ni ma bibiri ba na me ni mo hwe Bedu Kobi eti mi ka kire ne yiri se me wo papa bempa ho eso no ni me ha ne yiri fra me a na fe me hu asma me yiri se me tuka ba papa me tuka ba ofie wo sisi a afi Bedu Kobi eti me fifre teme me fra Bedu Kobi na Bedu Kobi wo him
ozu be mpansem a wo ka no niema a wonim fa Bedu Kobi ho no na wode to dwai Ghana asofofo Ghana asofo
kasa kire Bedu Kobi
yakopon we ye
amedru tambi me imagine so no me timi so sa niema we say so because na ase enya se me tunufo but only one thing me Bedu Kobi ni me nante ye man ko Bedu Kobi fie ntwantwan kire me yire se me Bedu Kobi fie abra me sho ba hoda never man nya bi da because me no sabe me ye pani esa na se me kire Bedu Kobi kura akire money never ena me ware ama ware me ngware ya me ngware me chose se me nigiri say they make us support me and na sabi bread ya so me nya me holy me wo mo me angels me nka ho bi
yeah fine what can correct come
me nya obofo me human bi me nipa onipa bia won fum ye won ba me ma Bedu Kobi ehun se sanye ma niam bi na wabon pa a wa cho tiwa asase lady bi o you can friend tiwa Bedu Kobi a chana asase so ongu mani na sekeke e no mo keka niam bi asi ani the marriage break no mo keka asi ani person de baba ata ade to mutimi fra brantie bi okumase catch a brantie ne se so suppose be papa kumase ya na ma ono ene nan na me pese me chauka I'm supposed to be pese a brantie se me supposed to be secret the minimum say me na na bobo na say we suppose nyame de ne ye adwuma me anything about supposed to be still afom to catch a boy across or onko ayi your first say be quite run about maybe to talk car na say e hwan run about na on choose call na o mu hear information people o hear information e dey me information bia no ma hwehwa obenya because say me fafotie say me to no say na bibi o me ho anya ka Bedu Kobi behu me obi a say me di nuro e na ya asore ka Bedu Kobi behu because tama me nam no ka me tu nuro ba honest ka me do bewura rather na mo wura mu na me ma pamu enti pamu me pamu Bedu Kobi die there some Mr. Domingo can you know cre ebi obi beka se die enti no e ma bufu se Bedu Kobi he ka kire nkofo se me na mabọ sa ma na se no ne demon breaker ne pa so mu gu Ghana so ko ni mas ya ti Bedu Kobi ka cross me na ma me atika national security for crack Bedu Kobi so was me na mama security for na ba no tena me ma Bedu Kobi ehun se de ekoso na True TV no ye no se minim ho hwe na se mia me pese me kan ma Bedu Kobi ya mia metimi aka me kobo pa mo bi nka ma me enti mia me ka sabe Bedu Kobi bo se nyam na bo obi paw na etu so on keka so for ho se ano no Bedu Kobi ho se no na nyame ya adoma next week yeah like that no
Addo no menti ye say we ye nsem a osu bempa eso ede aba o say 3 days Bedu Kobi yire ka kire say na maako miensa ne kunu hey hono edi ma mi o ne kunu na onfa nsuo ngu no ho 3 days ave osu bempa say Bedu Kobi akofa India fo bi o say obi abeka cha akofa India fo bi enan ko ja bubo muti amoma betwa ayi aponche tuntum moja no mudi ama na dware Addo de ekoso Ghana no sama hu bi enyami da di friend na me kan o tom anabu Canada Agyapong ye bo abaso papa mosu a program mi mutimi frɛ so kyerɛ ma dwene so ye bo mabaso Ghana asofofo so ye bo mabaso enkontompo amotwa mabosom niema amaje momusuo ni mosayem niema amaje no ye bo mabaso anim guase ye man sa aba mo bi so metima asɛ Nyankopɔn din afa mo hwadi se Bedu Kobi ne downfall na abai de ni guase poto Bedu Kobi wa wo ba William wo ba asabe wo moja kakra wo banum no de wo de aye wo ba eni ewu wo de ko hye Nyankopɔn onim oba no wo he onim no so na ball no but on can't trust for aba moja ko gu so sa Nyankopɔn ka sa asem.
He's showing his Mercedes Benz. Now, but listen to me. Sir, have I forced you to do that? Because sometimes I don't want to hear any other story.
But you can't buy for it.
So when I hear things out loud, how can I pray for Lumba to live? And today I'm going to tell you something. How can I pray for Lumba to live and I can't pray for my son to live? It's not difficult. The way to make things work in the spirit is not difficult. So I know why what happened to me happened to me. Today I'm going to tell all of you, listen to me. I don't care whether it goes on Facebook, everyone listen to me. There was a plot from Ghana to kill me. And God decided to make some choices. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi and Daniel Kobi, who should live. Wait, if Emmanuel Bedu Kobi dies, the assignment I've given to him, so many people's life will be stranded. Therefore, I would rather take a son for him.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
So, I will see Mama in Kolebu, I'll look at her, I will pray, but I wouldn't tell her what will happen. It's only one person in Ghana, Ochinoko. I sat with him in my house in July 2017. Almost 4 months ahead of time. I said, Ochinoko, you see your eyes. Years ago, you spoke against men of God. You did a lot against men of God. God came against you. Now your eyes can see. And you're a Christian, but you never see again till you die. Also, the man you are seated before, I will cry soonest. That's my son who is sick. He will die. But I kept it. It was not easy for me. I see the coffin. Sometimes when I'm entering bedroom, I see the coffin. I said, God, can't you do anything for me? He said, no. Either your son dies or you die. He said, the assignment I've given for Ghana, blood must touch the ground. So we don't talk much. I have a lot to tell you, but you see, sometimes you will not be strong to carry it. Some of you also misconstrue me, so I keep it quiet to my chest. I'll pray for greater. Somebody has HIV, somebody has hepatitis. All those things go. How much more my son? I can just pray for God to. It's easy.
Bedu Kobi, I don't know. What say? Wobet me abompire within 2 seconds. Ama niema aye adwuma. Now how come say enka wanye? The ban woko. Edion adofonom. Ghana asofo a Nyankopon adwuma mo ye. In fact, baby, a Ghana and then the heading. Say Christian Council for and a more lances so. Say Ghana buying a more lances so. Say ministry buying a more lances so many years of I don't know. Him for the mama lances some of my ass of Ghana. I'm moja bonisi e Ghana. He say Yamina make more suffer for and a more candy ecoso. It's Yamina daddy Fred na mi bejina haka. Mo na mo candy ecoso. Meko UK na mene Reverend Olive Akasa efa ensem bi ho kakra na oye osofo maame e wo UK enti ye ko oye Reverend pa sofo ba ne ne nakasa Reverend Olive to say
yes what mo aja
yeah bako UK to say
you care that so quarantine mo aja ya hwenya me
yo e ba cha ya na wa ma ne so kakra ma me why
Matthew.
Yo. Yeah, to say there, yeah. Jumadi Motion Live, our Facebook, the announcer newspaper, so our Facebook. At the same time, Motion Live, our YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so our YouTube. And some are boro so. A software war my gun. Say, top revelation be about if Bedu Kobi home and one sem na say, yeah, drinking. Me sa can software, my kama pa or Kenya Kopasam kama extra man for me, yes, sacred free a bonny muno. The Omoka sem no, Omoka. Omunyo moa, womu educate mu jani bi no. Reverend Olive awa man so. So far what ye and sem ni bi. O reaction is saying ewo ho.
Hey, and some no, and some mo eja. First of all no. Yentia we nyina apie ene se Nyankopon emra to say obeda abone kwadi. And the way osofo unye sofo or dawedi or you watch say who free or not. Because about 4 years ago, in the next 4 years, obey asofo home to mapa. We've been praying into that erade money and semaye because na ejumano nimgwasia na do. Now listening to Bedu Kobi and Sema Watikano my mensuno mu obeka se dey take kaya to mensum ne yecha. The first one of it the way things work in the spirit and they say ekofo a plan say ye be ku on Bedu Kobi and nonti onyankopon man option say either ono anase ne babe mano na e what say ewo no ebe faniko enti Nyankopon man option on one kaso Nyankopon man option now so wo sha Nyankopon Jesus e ba be one man option you see I was say ye ya adwum ne atini ma bi ase Nyankopon you cannot mock him on your boy obi obeka say Bible says he's not a man that he should lie neither the son of man that he should repent when he says something he stays on that and he works with it. Nyankopon will not come and ask Bedu Kobi say, me pese me kumu mumu baako for the sake of the other because phobia ba A.P.C be planning kumu until choose baako. With that's not the kind of God we serve. Jesus had no option. God gave his only son. Or did it drop back no at the baby and it wasn't said, they drop on the car and a radish on Debbie. He made that provision. And he said, Bibina a barber phone now to a radish. It was a bunny woman, a different. What say, and what say, Yakupon say, either me and not send me back. So you chose, say you will live. Now, bunny you will, right? Now, from Old Testament all the way to New Testament, the only time Nyankopon aptly or was to any bonny and sinner or waba. And is it because of Bedu Kobi? No, I have bonny beat Nyankopon ever be kuno or did a batasayana. That's a question mark. When Adam and Eve sinned in the garden, Nyankopon okum abua and or they sanctify one more. Said ye be ya omun ye ayiramba. From beginning of Genesis to Revelation, all that God was doing was to bring us back into a relationship with him. All that he did from beginning to end. because of that which Adam and then the now there's no way in the Bible Nyankopon wa fa nipa da se nikra e de agi obi kra because of one say obi kum obi a nipa no so I'll demand the moja from them. When Cain killed Abel, Onyankopon can send it to her say e won se we kum ni nua ni moja esu ma freno. But I say me remember what high remember one nantia remember what bo you know obey wonder na obi obekum no make it 7 times from them or punishment there 7 times. So God has a very, very important message when it comes to blood. So say blood has to spill. What does it mean that blood has to spill? It is only Jesus who spilled his blood. Now the blood not spilling, his blood wasn't the blood of a human being. Remember, Jesus Yahuno from them, Holy Spirit in a shame he said no. And in the not only nemo. And in the banner where we know boni woni modemo. Se boni woni modemo dia any intimate tinipediamo. Onu Bedu Kobi no, the banu we no intimi nya hema no. And no tin na the banu modensu edi na kilo. What do I say? Say Bible say my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Because omo tinase na omo nyamo makodi enroni wherever oma popo akiti ni padi no. Most people are sitting there. Omo ne omo they braid them no pare no. They braid him say oh free me. They braid so name how to get out of that place because you have been bound and you basically you've been caught in that trap. What you say? A radical say either you're hot or you're cold. You cannot be a friend say lukewarm and yes I will spit you out. Now we need to know say Bedu Kobi no or your fetish priest and also your support. You can't be both. What do you mean your fetish priest? Now won't fa asokudi en kata oso Onyankopon bepa ohuntu ba. What you say?
Untimi nya komfo na mfa sofo engurugura ho.
Na mi kunku me ma ye kuma mo every year to sacrifice for boni enipa ye no. And ne de me de me ba me drop ba me de na ba be sa ewu na emu anu ewu you know continuously every year now. Now who has the right to say me Bedu Kobi Nyankopon edumo di ama me no Ghana phobia panisi e community e was say mojengu answer hey Bedu Kobi yes to be sound sembe bre se ya look at your software na kokko show when mo show no so ye nyina ante tifa ebi no ho mu ni nyame asem ebi no ho mu ti nyame ase na 4 years ago I started from Pastor Radi who say who be help you want to ma or say I'll start from my house and see ye who no e ye nyame fie na what started na enya yo e be COVID-19 or coronavirus e by Onyankopon wanted us to know something say oh ye nyame nobody has a remedy.
Hello? Unfortunately, I'm saying line no article anti me reconnect no I was me go through na ye who said the ACT. Addo for no mom say issue a dadwa ye ka ho asem no. A very serious and a very sad situation. And niema koso no esoso. Na ahoma no Reverend Olive Efri so mebo modin ama me sa kan biem na wakasa am say networking no na enye papa. Inti mebo modin na yahwe na yasan enya ne biem na ye ne no akasa. Minuanom eniema koso wo Ghana no edin. Na wo ho na se ye kan sem bi kirewa wa kasa ne hu nsem ni se de siko ne tu hofo. Ya beba cha take o kakra. Hello?
Since no de Nyankopon e pese Addo say na esene say onu ne Nyankopon obi anka ne ho bi. Say ko asori na so for the nsabe to ye pampam and as ye yefun na yet me awo na yet me anyaya sa ene de yet fie yentimi nko asori enti asofo no omo adwuma na omo ye no omo feel say omo ayenyankopon na sesia no sofo anka member enya hwe just ose ho ene de ye hu say for 3 months o sahe yet fie asofo no omo powers no omo wo no enye adwuma bie because me dey ma wa na sibie ena ma ho dey emfiri hu sofo no efi nyankopon Ghana have to get to a place. Me no here, Papa, because I'm a fancy.
Oh, man, how? Feel free and talk. All right, feel free.
Yeah. There's no other God but Him. Now He will expose until Nipa will come back to Him and reconcile with Him. Oh, Nancy, I'm not. As the semi-call police before I hear say. And then you put it this way, group of women. And when you expose one software, one you're careful, over exposed to Prime Minister, over exposed to President, over exposed to anybody. And for that reason, no, they will cover up. Because they bring our society simu. They bring our backbone, a penny for a Kukutama, your friend said,
more positions, yeah, I will Ghana, yeah.
They are very difficult, but and people are losing their lives because of our software. The software by and I also about the shepherd, Emma, Nipana, and then there was a software or timing now so them can say, what right have you to kill a man? What right? And now software work, say, they pronouncing Yalia Atto of the soul. What right? And now software work, so they take their Obaya promo. What right? What right? What right? Now we are watching this. I thought what the brain so some back I thought what the brain they are sent back to draft because at the end of the day, my little business and business. There is no authority that belongs to a man. It all belongs to God. Unless you say, sorry, I was saying now they are called for you and not the WhatsApp. But say one body from one Jesus Christ on only your head. And the many will see it not together. We can say bonnie and a papa ye papa.
Meda was say
for oil $5,000. Who tells you say I do not take the no imagine says on Jessica, how much are you going to pay?
Very sad situation.
Your levels of a support, we are control leaders. And almost someone come from in all of this, a chrono. And rather than a pat and to my brain. Now, Mama Yangina, Nayan Sam Yakupon said, woman in the course of it, already and pay the deal between us. Some of us, many of them, they 25 years ago, already 10 to the course in this manner. In a way, I would admonish the wickedness of our software.
All right. Thank you very much. Yo, thank you very much. We may come back to you. We really appreciate your submission. All right. I just spoke to Reverend Olive from UK, far away UK. Giving us details about fake prophets and other things. I know you learn a lot from her. But you also can see about Facebook and mobile Kasa Abringina. Where ye near ma, a mirror dura, I was say who said ye die who so ye. Adaphonum, Debbie Ayana Mebeka, and Nora, and in Rechi. Made a petition, and as a Miakasa my live program be, and our program, Eddie Atto, His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado and him, Ghana's president. Sir, onto anamon bi ema Ghana man me pa cho menya me phone lines ntimu am friend mu nyaa wa menya me onto anamon bi na Ghana man ehu sa anamon sa de na me de to na Addo anim no ebinom si ma ani senka na ho na me de ko na ga osam de ko say ma me kire mu ema manfo hu se de etam de to na Addo anim no eya asema ha adwene e wo man Ghana mu ni nyina no eye wosofo ba ko a wakokase unimomo enu moja enimomo ekum nipa ewo Ghana na obi kan se mo ye bra wo ma me wo Ghana unu aba wo Ghana o ma wo Ghana wo namfofo wo Ghana o se wo mfa ho se ye be ma sofo na ko kire se won kire enye wasem na wo do man odo nipa odo nkwa oni mekwa enkwa ho mfaso onwu ya onim de obenya ho enya asofofo no omo selfish business a omo ye de omo bedi ni de omo benya nti no omo no de amanfo nkwa ebo chaskelen na ukodi omachi na se sofo akọ kansem we na me se e wo se sofo no ye chi no na wo kire bomo a bomo no moja no mo kum nipa ebinum si omo nte ase. I'll continue to say it today, tomorrow, and forever. Your view is different from my view, but I'm standing on my view that the pastor I'm talking about, Reverend Obofo, must be arrested. Reverend Obofo, so much immediately. Now I'll keep on saying this, and I'll keep on doing programs about it until proper decision is taken on that, because they're very serious. So Reverend Obofo, Chimba Montembe Kacha Ghana mine. So when the mama mocha any mama omukum nipa, musi yemia ya no. Ebina as I say, where Revelation say ba bonten, asofofo ebi kura no nipa enu moja. Hwe Revelation say eba, ebi mo mutimi mo mani nyina timi wu. Hwe Revelation say eba, amanfo obekọ bronu wesu na wabusuani wayera, bronu wesu na wunua bi no wawu, bronu wesu bateta kura de yese mawu, ye hu wo mo kuma mo. Hwe niema bone ne niema tantan ye koso Ghana. Na mo amudi Nyankopon ye adwuma, a mo beka Nyankopon asem a kira amanfo no. Mo na mo ba bonten, e na niema tantan bone we mu na mudi animu amoya. Na ye betena ho. We are going to keep quiet on this issue. Debi. And you didn't open him the enemy so much and so open him the end. I will say, on bombarding, not the also my fan, but open him machino, our moye shimu. Now they did a Reverend above for Kansem, Reverend above for, Nadam for pan wine, some him. Why not any call Buruku a program? No Munkan share more motion Munka. Why no any call? And you may be on a year count. Yeah, no make situation is the entire me appeal to Nanado and say Ghana police for your margin so mon kwache Reverend Obofo because of chamber because oni nim binum e wo security because e binum kono ho enti omon kwache ne nden kwache ne china ye pa yen kasa ma de enchi but munim se wi ase tie mo wi ase so hwe mo na nim kuase na Ghana police mu kum ho anim ase because wi ase e hwe de wo se nkamo ye. The word is looking at what you should have done because what I say obi aka na network so say onim nipa wo mo enum moja enim nipa ekum nipa ebena yabusiafo nyina so wo Ghana ye nim se ebinum ampa nipa binum etimi awu e wotakorade a ye nim omo a omkum sa nipa no ye timu se bone awodro okoso a ye nim omo ye sa ade no na mo ne mo kwache a mo se monye ende na maka kire Nanado se Nanado na Ghana mampanyini on appointed IGP Inspector General of Police Nanado na appointed no. And as I some so cost or minum, not say police and 2-1 among, not the president and 2-1 among, that means they have an so. It is a police so among ya. President can direct the IGP to conduct investigations into that allegation. Maintain Obofo and I maintain is our council. But as some not kind is serious. I border criminalities I A.P.C investigations. Because as some of one in your mom or my Ghana mono. And yes, who was a dime macrabi wager? Oh, we are said Japadian and Abbey wager, but Nimpang quantie. The Panque yard, Ungu Yaunim the Obenya. And crowded in the pay woo, Ebi a binum never president action, a binum never Ghana doctors, a binum never Ghana police for, a binum never Ghana soldier for, not Nipa Bonnet for, a Geomokra from Munsum, because in the name of Sir Omeya Sofo. Now, Mama Betana say, yeah, come was a man. A binum the motions, a candy or pefas as no. I mean, they are no intimate pussy go. The American, I'll continue to say it. Intimate to challenge in Ghana man because another Watina UK da. Watina UK a cosco abobra ewo UK. UK so when him say TV so because cancer a same way with TV so UK. Nipa no o sifiri baby a TV for one and a channel. Wah near the nekosa kwachre. Omo ekum nipa. And a kwachre wa muswa. Omunya daji wo so omunya daji nya merekum nipa e na omo num moja no so kwakere enti we am wasa Ghana bani forte ho ba minim se api na ye man na ado no wate no be hu adwuma. I know and I believe so be hu adwuma because ye nhwe e makata so bomu aso sa ankoso Reverend Obofo is not above the law obinim o hwe o su ye friend saying Bedu Kobi nsem na yati enti hom I was seeing wo so I was seeing pa enwu so osofa wo ye Nyankopon wadwuma aye nim se Nyankopon wadwuma na wo ye o hwe eniema ekoso hwe eniema ekoso Now we about time. Ah, sabi, and your composite so be able dear. But Yakopon Boana, one yin saying. Yin saying, how many months? Obinum yet 7 months, binum yet 9 months. She pay now be from Sabo so meaning. She pay any problems are from what that crowd would not want to mean no fusukra, or the no at the ha, yaw be a womb, contraction, no crowds about Okra, they ask him. She tell bet yet your man son wait me a wo barbas as you. Then the pub ponin beer. Why are also your sofu? No much a chimon man, no more cool mundo, no moja. Now you better Ramas and Manacos Organa. Now you better Naso. Now suffer to me being and no castle any more beer. Why yes, I didn't. Police was among Cochiomo. Ghana police is a monk, yet you will not do it. Yet, pro yanka. And some chop also more Ghana. Mube Ginemakas are same way is serious. And also police for 2 and a moment in Amabiano. And a more crazy, soft for no say. Soft for no, you good, Amado. So instead of say, Mube cast a police for shame because mom believe in corruption. But me, I'm not more crazy soft for no. Then Yanko will be a God is looking at you. Yanko show. Because Yakopon ma I would do a mobile yasen or moon a benum edgy or monkra if you're munsum a bit of moment so ye nanny pap bonny for be jom cry if you're munsum na yen tenase emia no sa yen tenase mia no sa sense I'm travel more Ghana monka fine monka yes so your baby a becca sa police for monche nipa na fine yes so your becca bon de wura because every day police for mu tie social media enti mu se me ko social media so adenti na momia ma no Reverend Obo for Chamra. On Chamra. Intiano no. I don't remember my friend. What person watch the wadwin be amra so say obetche wadwin. Number abe friend is 774-312-4276. Also obetimi afre na watch the wadwin. WhatsApp number to fra for +1 edikan ye na ya wo be 1 hour for phone lines inti. Phone calls nkwa 1 hour. De wati ni de wahu de wa wutin wo wasum sese no obetimi e de atudwa. Number abe friend is 774-312-4276. A American number in the +1 the kind. Ofra, Opa Moding, the Obacan say, me free ha, no watch the wasem. Now for you, the air cost. Missing number to be 774-312-4276. Also, Ubet me a fret, now I drink to be a person with Chileno. Also, watch the wadrone and some no. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, maybe I try to say. Yeah, I try to say. Me pacho boko, me pacho mahuso kasa free usta. Opa bodi upa modi why?
Me momedi.
Okay, cause why you?
Fred, nyami shawati.
That's
Fred, yenye udeni we akasa.
That's a pa.
Nyami bambo no ye kese wo so. Na ye be bompa ye di wachi pa.
That's a pa.
Daddy Fred, ye me kan say, and some we are ekosui. Enya wonwa,
Asemini o, enwanwa.
Fred Bedu Kobi. Etme bedra sorry dem edidi akufo atam edidi matam eyeni amasaso so na de work ya to na Bedu Kobi that friend me mo say ya me na etwetwe omoka wanwa no because Bible na ka say na table be start free na sorry fee it is say no the yemu no wo ya no wo ni agresaka so nya agresaka because ayin atmuda na eba asofo no dada aye having the any ho have the any ho na wo mo any padne na say pa sa Bedu Kobi we ni no sa camera na me ko sorry wo orion acha na me ma brochire na Bedu Kobi be draw sorry wa yo ni gongongo tell say fake
yo ni gongongo na dia ba de
corona yenye udeni corona yenye udeni wa bua ya papa nyakupa hu ya mobo nyame san ya behwe ni o etino sa asofu we mo pa ye urade that Fred me ra hu ne papa
me ra hu papa
na ye pompa ye so tawo ti sa ma de dia obema de dia
that's pa
na me to me hu say Kufa do to me say taxpayers money ma nipa ko Nigeria ekodi da hotel ekodi say sikata
Eish takrade for nkura no
takrade for agesi na nyame amboa amansem bi abetwadi die na we credit can so cheap and so easy think as say Kufa do o take advantage where FPP ne NDC no say tax force be in what their country no best say because of vote nti omo tumi kan so fi asem
no
because of vote na ekoba ni sadia ekufado na ya did na me pacho that said omo kan say abrochre for dem ya to aban bia ya fa
omunya nwie ye no mo go so ye ho adwuma ba omunya establishing entirely
ani akufado wa ye lucky o pie be twetya no bia sasa ye ma ya wo bobo si se akufado anya ho adwuma na se eba se to aban bia ye be twetya no pasa
na so yeso ye wa abusuafo o Ghana etimi ni omokasa enti e wo so tu ho na mo
that is why I can that be our beer, the baby, may that be a meteor, we are so on the YouTube be our share. Why never be there, the beer, can there be a bit, you boy, what they will know, and then grass some baby. Also, my partner, some baby, I saw from to me, Bob, how many papa dig and someone, hey,
something who are suffering.
So also the fake again, and then every young white fake. Now one more why fake, you know. Yeah, only once my let's see a car. Oh, but that is right. And she's running tank crowd. One more only a 1 deal. But yeah, dumb, you're afraid, dumb, you do what you. Yes, you what you may be able to be. I know now.
Me da wase pa so.
We are fluent, you know. Or Papa did so for into someone kind of crack. Yeah, for me. That is why I'm going to kind comment to crack.
Me da wase. Ya be kasa biem. Ya da wase pa be kasa. Yo me da wase 774312427 Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me ba choba ko na so
yeah, good. Now, there are coming in a cano. You see, say, oh, yeah, you might and at least, please, for us nowadays, no one be also more take time, no because we will be no muja. There is nothing shows or no muja, because this one will nipa no muja no check it, and we say muja. Now, what's in here, confirm, we say muja, and what's in here, and the narco court, no, it did nothing. Good. But I didn't answer.
So podium kakrama me why. So podium me why. So hello. So podium me why. Mojana semno osofo baako and make statement very clearly. Tie statement in bim or making it clearly say me ba cho me ba. Me ba cho me ba to was it. Onya me ba cho onya wadwene sa ba machiro mu ana. I'm saying onya na adwene se opese o mama kire ni mu. Me ba cho wo fra ma ye asem bi one ye kire ye mpese mo be ma information bi ye wrong. Asem bi ho na ye kire ye kire opese o kire adwene na wa kire wadwene wo ho. Osofo ye reverend obofo se onimomo a omono moja enimomo a wo mo ekum nipa omunya adaje kum nipa eno ne ese police fo nkwache no sa asem no ne ye ka enti se no ho asem na hello me ba so wo so ai kasa em se onye na adwene se on so ai kasa hello yeah, low radio sector na say TV no why low no mama why e ba cho boko na so
ya me Addo
jo e ba cho kasa free him pa e mo wudin kasa
e mama planti ni mi kasa free New York
yo mama banin kwa yeti pa
asama awusu bempe kan no e modu
papa
Ami wawusu bempa no kama na de bia ye painti papa ne black ye painti ne black ye painti na me da ye me wanwa because wawusu bempa ye ni nyina na ti asafo omu fie ni ye fie wo akire ti emi ye ni muno tama ye sta o ayi ye fa sam so god ye ko studies bia ye ma point term na ye ko study ye ni nyina na ye ko nyamedi awusu bempa stati edum asofudie no sata na ye tue fasafo na nyame ato yakotra kaase na me ko science am so god wo pe ye program bi wo ta mo sa wo no de me brother na free
One me brother ne free. Na tebia no mo ye o papa ne san me timi ka say, papa we nya mini po. One was starting kola benya. Mi so wonyini ya some obe peso fu dia be pe bibi. Na ne ye say. Papa no, and then the man would say, Papa no, or handsome pana me Bedu Kobi die. Look when the friend. Me who na me who say Papa we when your papa. Yes. Me who na the friend wa me
Okay, Kona Sabra 774-312-4276. Hello.
Hello, that is Fred.
Me ba church say?
Yes, Addo mo na mpacho nyame ntimi sa won so wo ho ye pa.
Me ba cho me ho ye pa. Ba cho na aka se free he.
Me mpacho wa tie ni me kasa free Italy.
Italy yo. Akwi amane nko aye tie o mini aba.
Yo, daddy eja me tie won tem bet me de minim sa ye wo ye ha wo ye de ato aban anim ye fa Reverend Obofo de yi ho an giri se ye ka.
Ene Bedu Kobi nsem aba abontin na no ho asem an ye ka.
Yo. Media Nanado one can machine mean to me wunu ni entia. Nanado into one among. But the casa Nanado nte ya na media trot put their watch. Sit their watch partner mean to me wunu ni entia. Em said them a woman do you almost say womo e can suffer for no one asem em sabani e betu atia womo enunti no enya ade a womo beka e ho asem enso so no e wose womo tintim na womo timi ka ho asem abatu nti tumi die nti enya ade a womo e beka etigama de nyame anim nia ye chia na tembia ye beko se ye beko ye nim pa no e be ye den pa the is Chesanya Bedu Kobi, Esiki Canensem, the Canensem Basa, ya ne Bedu to me who say, when you move be pa, ya wasn't ye to me friend or no. Now a year reference or Boffa Crackas asked them we brano, one of my young friend. Now Bedu Kobi, Eka win your best friend. And not dear your best friend. Nancy, the young friend or no, just say. There be a won't cost so. There be a bosswa, said you will be no diano, more bosswa, and they Yapaco, Yahu near pussy. If there be any day, you know, yes, and funny and what they the mouth say, there be a coupon more than for no more patent, and a fabulous nasty. Let there be a dear chimpia, would you also? When you better could be the end, so there be a box, rather over for the end, so there be a box. Who bought to pam, there be a no. I said, ya buy any who say, as someone is near your pa, no more to one more. Maybe that.
Medawasipa, Minuaba. Hello.
Hello, daddy friend. Good afternoon.
Oh, him I to say.
Ama, good afternoon, right?
Hi, I'm having the afternoon. Your morning. I can't bear 4 minutes near afternoon.
Morning. Make us happy
Holland. Nana Manenkwa.
Daddy. I'm going to see how the Agyapong and summer everybody in fact they will be. Make my bone. Miss Papa. Because I'm going to say a corner a woman who could do for no more. I wish after young cook for Carbon.
Much say
Because you're in the dirty things and work with one. Now you're my papa as a show. Because Bamboo beyond the crony. Obia di ope e wo kurani so on sa fa mo ya ka nanado ya frano wo ye nyina ya papa so o ye nyina ya papa ya frano asamwe na ne me kan ana o ka say on tie so ya be kasa because the air question no enye my no so in the upper source, I said, a back a crana man for the on the 12 money in our short bed, or the car, I suffer for no one someone after the year beside the 5%. I didn't see that the one me a kasa, or what? Equanimity and summer walk when you year. And before when? That I for the you only and pay for don't push so much as I can almost yana.
And only question na ye busan, and only asem na ye busan.
No more yasa. No more yasa because Ghana hono sa omo anye ko ni ya yesu ya ti And your time say, you know, I can't do bomb, you know, I may go near ye. So, and your time say, you may, you know, I can't do bomb. Now, Fabio say, I should have walked on an essay, I drink a car, if I said 1 mile. Not almost to gun on some so one person, which I say. Other gun on a young one, which the 4 young one. I try to drink a car. So the Sabon person bet you can't see you can see beside Addo. So Ghana, I butcher honey, Ghana, and Ghana on community, Medawase.
That was 774-312-4276. Hello.
Hello, oh, Daddy Fred, good evening.
Minu Amejo so a net saying.
Atena for me.
Beba Chobako na so e.
Better make a program in Duka.
Beba Cho was so that wa yetio.
Okay, but Daddy Fred, you paying for money ma pa way Amagana.
Beda was pa.
You paying for kede abotel utitunku kwai. Nyede na do until wati. Na abotel no di nya. Abotel no di nya. Odi nya abotel. Na mo si wunya abotel wo fra. Offend and obi ni mu the same thing so wo fra offend obofo. Ma today was a demon breaker. Ono yi manasi when infant wa for. No other post wunya information for the abotel. So say agana fu nya abotel. Na ade menye de na ado onti wati no obi du hunjuma nti nya abotel akobi o mpana meka yi de stop na konfo no watching no adesu wa emfa adomfo woko no what we can names bi oye politicians no ni asofo no ni lawyers na ade pemfu wotin wo konfo ni dem wo Captain Smart paper ni kitchen film. Up to now, Captain Smart and Ferdinand Snap from out. I will also order washing a yet can go question. Captain Smart and Famba out. Or shall we or that what I resign or I don't know we catch a baby or a cookie a coffee look at day and I can on walk from chap. No, so I don't want him to shoot. Over big radio do chunk of all better. No, so or the yes, we are in or the names or the out.
Medawasipa 774-312-4276. Hello.
Hello, Daddy Fred.
Beba Cho to say.
I already had more, Daddy. Now swear.
Beba Cho Boko. Bacho Honey and Nika say.
Who knew about Georgina?
Oh, Georgina Boko there.
London.
You.
Why you want to say? Mudi a mini abema no bakasa se send munya botana Ghana panyofo ne de. Wo mani na agu ase because so much ni wo munti asam ne ba. Wo mo hu se do mbesi aka asam na fa. Na ne mugu ase de wo mbegi bi pa. Osofo Bedu Kobi, o hu awie ye. Hu twan to Nyankopon so. Se Nyankopon se wo ba ene wo, pan wo be yi no. Wo ne mugu ase nya mai. So far one more ya. One more year. Try about 4 more kind and no more one tackle no to boom. I Bedu Kobi Sam and I walk and I'm out for sick and Agyapong and one. No one, you know, 1 more year, Baba. They make a chat 1 year. Ghana Panyon 4. Mrs. Program way, Yasu Fred Ta. Yabaka, some of us sacra. Now, what you sound for where we saw one more time. And yes, sir, Daddy Fred, you didn't meet our chief.
Medasipa.
Ghana, Tr0ubIe, and Yamuda. Now, more, I'm sorry, I'm back and some more. Program also, Monia careful, most of my dear.
Medasipa. Georgina, Afri UK, and I'm attending. Can hello?
Hello, Daddy Fred.
Maybe try to say.
James Switzerland.
Oh, Switzerland. James, Switzerland to say.
Nyamia Dumo Boko.
Yo, James man inquire to you.
Ghana, you're paying for the Mentias. Omo, a few money. Abra, Omuni say. Installing in Ano, the Omu in Finyame. That is it. Every Cameroon. Now, Rwanda.
Sanko Omunina Timia Day, Edgar, Sansori Mu. Now, Ghana Quadia, Chese, a dear no more a chain answer. I'm a sister be at me Bienano, Akaso, when the Momo Moja. One more, Okumilipa. Not a prosecution team koi, and what she is any pay. That's it. We didn't want me to Nano, Obi dear, a vaye. May a Margaret say, then go on, come be beer, sister and the you and court, our Enka, may pop. Name de sao tama evidence ni dako baby a wotia obabi ase wo bonkola na wo edai wo obi kuku so de yare ehye nipa no aku ne kukum ni nyina kamere ko UN court na em so munya information no e no mudi ni ga ko ti obi ni na wei obofo die so womu anshan kan wasen biya so a asem wei awo se me boaboa enema no na me sade fa ho because me hu se empayifo no munyo magi so mbebo aye na se yire wo mu a attorney general ni diemnika ebeba abeya no wa because adai entita so that if mu bi nyina demonstration wo Europe ene America omunya mu de Europe yan hye ye because nkofo no mo sheda Eturie menche mema mefri sunu obi so ayedai abaso why
me da se pa so na number abe friend here 774-312-4276 and also so wait me afra wo so na wa kire wa dwene e wo ho 774-312-4276 also obesa wo kire wa dwene e wo ho a also obetimi a kire wa dwene e wo ensema ye boroboro so no de ekoso nyina no ososo obetimi a kire wadwene ewo ensem no ho na yenwie ni nyina ne se de pepepepe yewu pepepe ye no ne yepe na ade e be ha adwene ana ade ha adwene wo man mu de ye nhwe emasa na ema no enkoso enti ye pese bibia ye pepepe na obi ehu de ekoso enti eno no sa pepepe enti so one China say wutie ya jumade no wutie live ewo the announcer newspaper so ewo Facebook at the same time wo the announcer newspaper ewo YouTube so enti ni nyina no betima tie live so ewo ho obetimi afra 774-312-4276 now so watch wadwene hello eba cho te say
good afternoon
pacho te say
te say
eba cho boko na so Germany. Oh, Georgina. Germany to say.
Jamaica. I'm some that you went now. Then I'm starting from some interview and then live interview. Some my penny or yet Bedu Kobi right hand. Or better on Munano or Sofo Utubem Panamoyeno. And some man I can some kitu cocaine something in Ajamam on one to one. Cocaine someone or deal with cocaine now.
Wow.
Apart from some woman we know. I'm according to some papa and Muya was one as a financially now help Bedu Kobi the idea. One Bedu Kobi net office was one in the head. Bedu Kobi is more than $2
million, yeah.
And I'm not paying your bill fear so no and when you're queen and what's the fact you are so full and Panamu and a bufu. As I said, some of Bedu Kobi man who is a special father Usuben Pano. Not day and it's said I'm Usuben Pa and a dip Bedu Kobi Nakosata or and Yemen. As you know, Usuben Bempa and a bufu, but let's know who said, Usuben Bempa is not aware of what is going on. Sansami A.P.C. na ni pebia di kan ba betia owusu bempa anaasiraga ana papa wei abeka sansami nyina pepe pa mo owusu bempa je di sa na che information odi kan nya no na che se pepe
Oh, are you on my Bedu Kobi? So I dealing with cocaine now. I did Kojana saw them according to Papano. Kojana saw them when we say cocaine and coupon a boy. And Tiana de Bonnet. And Papano, all Casayano, through a challenge in a Bedu Kobi said. Wouldn't name your walk canoe. Yanko Paul head. I would see the idea. Yanko upon a book cocaine. And to last minute, you know, I can't say. Well, I said, one conclude after my foot to a band or they may nip out one with you. Papa, I said, I'm almost plain say. Church members now, one more running for their souls. Now, I want to, and yeah, sorry, now you're shrine. What's in Bedu Kobi, I put it to you. Say, it's not a church. Your place is not a church. A shrine. Now, so one more young go to baby, I want a sorry. One more baby, you may say, and to a true challenge in Ama, Bedu Kobi say, or boy. One out to me, no set the orchid can or no papa no to work the canny kuntumpo. Now you go to a sorry one, you go to two for more baby. You go moving your man, a sister. Oh, Papa, we no so that can and you also been vampire and can't. Papa, we ain't got that can no kind of broth into a kind of broth. Now I said, do baby, I was so much translating. A coach him when I said it, oh, 77 paid some broth for nonsense, or no so I see with me. According to Papa, no, or be English now, or canning, Mr. from A to Z, free. Bedu Kobi my India for, by a fun, as you bet 12 o'clock. And Romu Bekum, upon tomorrow. And I'm more than woman did Jarry, no. So woman did Jarry New Year, and was a Saturday after that. And Chapra and Apala, the Baron, seem woo ye. To me, the Yami who is Apalana, who no more than in a star point to Tumuno. One, Apalana, no more than in a point to Mukun, to a Mukun, I is almost especially. Now, cut a physical. And to Bedu Kobi, dear, Nakoka, some of the other dear didn't say. May come wake it to a binamid master with Yana, my dear, didn't say. Some and some Sati and what I've been a war, or Binim Hop, or by an or person called Betty can say same be about Stevie and in that the phone. Or can't ask someone or woman he interviews, so any hour, anybody media, no interviews to say. Say, what would be tired and send us a Sylvia and a cassette, Sylvia and a power, who when you move baby, no, give us away a member, or Binim Hop. And the gun and the brain says that we are Gina Chinia and some of the babbles, and papa. Now, maybe crown what's the young cat them is say, who cat them may make a say. Or what for a smile. I'm a woody cocaine, a command the Dukobi. Then can't ask them. Maybe we are saying in America, brown or waiting. And that's so family because you need a honey any hope proof, honey any hope proof until honor the yen you honey to Monto say. Georgina, maybe I told you, honor the any hope proof. Hello. Hello. Georgina, honor. Tia the American on Pacho, and I'm on phone to Mekasa. Maybe I told you. And I know Bedu Kobi Jana so I'm going to order 2 roast rice. Maybe I told you, hello. I'm saying on Tekasano. A hono coque asem so be the coque smile will be no honey any proof, auntie. Yent me yentum, ever for dear way so. Ain't honey, I issue disclaimer, send your video with yentum. And John told say hono yen proof is any bit to me, Agyapong. Ain't honey, there any proof will be auntie. We are not going to accept that. Just say who say yampa, say no quarry, say will be the coque small be so fan come before we accept that. Ain't honor yentimi and yentum. Jabessa and the Georgiana said bombarding. Never proof na chere na fabra na be chirim na fa yemu se no kre yes ade a hono de yentimi enyentum sa